Commonly known as Mother of Thousands, this is a beautiful succulent plant, and as you can see, it has so many tiny little plants growing at the tip of the leaf of these plants. So that is why it is called Mother of Thousands, because it produces 1,000 plants from just one plant. I got these tiny saplings from my parents' garden and I planted them in a pot randomly in our garden. And now we have so many of these plants growing in different containers. This plant does well in small containers and also in hanging baskets. This is another variety of mother of thousand that I have growing in our garden, and these small pups from the leaves fall down to the ground or into the same container in which it is growing to grow new plants. So it is mostly an invasive plant and very hard to keep in control even if they are grown in containers. So this is growing in a small shallow container, in a rectangle container, and you can see that there are more plants that are grown in the same container that are self-seeded from the mother plant. And there is some space in the ground that we have here, and there are mother of thousand plants in different sizes. So once they grow bigger, they have these small pups at the end of the leaves, which fall again to the ground to grow a lot of plants. So you can see how invasive it can become, and it is very hard to keep in control, even though this is a really beautiful plant. So, whatever pots that we have growing next to the pot in which this plant is growing, they all have small saplings of mother of thousand growing because these pups scatter and fall into all the possible places and they don't need much care. So they just grow wild and take over a lot of space in the garden. These plants do well in partial to full sunlight and requires watering only once or twice a week. Just care for them like you would for your other succulent plants, and very soon we'll have a lot of pups that will grow into several new plants for your garden and containers. I hope you liked a quick view of these beautiful succulent plants from our garden. They are very easy to grow and very easy to propagate. Please don't forget to watch our channel for more gardening related videos and do support and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching Fresh from My Garden.